Hello and welcome to BlueTube, your one-stop for healthcare information. In this video, you will learn how to request a new ID card, as well as verify your phone and address. First, log into the BlueCross and BlueShield of Rhode Island website, bcbsri.com. Once you're signed in, go up to Self-Service and select View and Request ID Card. Here, you will see all the members on your policy. Select the member that needs a new ID card, and at the bottom right, click Request New Member ID Card. Verify that your home address and primary phone number are correct, and click Submit. If your primary phone number or address are incorrect, click on your profile on the top right and then select Update Demographics. Here, you can update your phone number, email address, as well as your home address. Once you've made sure your information is correct, go up to Self-Service and select View and Request ID Card. Select the member who needs a new ID card, and at the bottom right, click Request New Member ID Card. Now select Submit, and you have a new ID card on the way. Thank you for choosing BlueCross BlueShield of Rhode Island. Your health and well-being is what we live for.